Hi, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I am excited to show you a few pieces from Prada. This will be a quick try on. So the first one is, love this color, love the length of the cardigan. Zip in the front. I will show you this piece on like I do all of the others on these try-ons. Is a size 40. So they're kind of a little funky with putting the price on things. I've noticed they don't really like to do that. I don't see a price on this one, so it's going to be really hard to have a value amount. This one is 100% cotton, has a little Prada logo here. Just something I've noticed, and maybe the cotton piece won't be so bad, but I have noticed other pieces that have this, it feels stretchy, so I'm really surprised it doesn't have some spandex in it, but I have noticed that they do tend, if you are concerned with body odor, I have noticed that some of these pieces tend to attract or retain body moisture. I don't know why that is, but I have noticed that with Prada. So I'll try this one on. This is the same, but a short sleeve. Also, and also chocolate brown. Pretty cool. I actually think this is an interesting piece. And again, with the prices, they don't like to do it. This is also a size 40. So I will try this one on and show you. We have this tank top. Pretty sheer, not totally sure what to think about this one. This is a size 40 as well. Again, it's cashmere, no price. So I will not know that, but when I do and I learn it, I will put it in the comments. And then this is a cropped piece. This is the one actually that I have in other styles, and it does tend to absorb or retain body moisture, so not cool. This is a size 44. I do that on purpose with the cropped pieces. I do tend to find that they run on me a little bit small, and I don't want them to be so cropped that they're in the middle of my ribs. So I do tend to get them a little bit bigger. It's 100% recycled silk. That's the case. So that's why this one does tend to retain more odor than the other ones. Another piece, this is kind of a cargo style jacket. Size 36, and this is a combination of, let's see. Oh, I hate their tags so much. This is size 36 because it does tend to run oversized, and it's a combination of silk and cotton. So we'll give this one a try. Interesting attention to detail. I think it looks pretty cute. I don't know how it's going to look on. I wish the pocket were a little bit lower, but you know, we'll see how it looks in terms of proportions. This one, a much heavier, thicker jacket. This is not my thing, but I'll try it on for the sake, for the cause here. So it does have some leather detailing at the top. Again, the same kind of style, except two larger pockets. I wish the other one had the larger pockets. Let me get the size and the fabric. This is a size 40. It's 100% cotton. It does have the Prada patch on the back. So the leather pieces that I see are there, as well as here. Let's see if the buttons are as hard to get open as the Balmain video that you've probably seen by now. If not, I will link it up in the cards. The second video, I didn't even try a couple of pieces on because of this. Yeah, they're a little bit difficult. We don't want to be fussing with our clothes like that. But here's this piece. We'll give it a try. And then two pairs of shorts. This is a 38 and a 40. I have the lightweight version of these. These feel like canvas. I think the actual texture is called canvas. So it says cotton and non-textile. I'm not really sure what that means, so I can't really confirm the fabric content. What I can tell you is that per Prada's usual routine, for some reason, they don't like to put the price on the tags. So I don't know how much they are. So we have a few pieces to try on. I'll get started and we will get this video going. All right, so here's the top. I think the top's pretty cute, actually. I like it. It's a great color. Fits well. Nice on the body. Not too tight around the neck. Not too tight under the arms. It has room and pretty nice design. Here's what it looks like from the back. Now, here's a big question. We have no idea what the price is. So the look for me, I would wear this. The look for me is a good solid 7, 8. Wearability is a good 8. Value price, I have no idea because I don't know the price. So I will get back to you on that and put it in the comments. There are a pair of shorts here. Let me see if I can bring the video down. All right, so this is the short. It's okay. Yeah, to me, it's just okay. It's not super comfortable. They're not uncomfortable. They're just not a pair that I'm going to go to or want to wear. The fabric is a little bit too thick for me for summer. And I know I got a little bit chunkier, but they're just quite honestly too big or too tight for me. I mean, they actually fit properly, but I don't like them this tight. So here's what they look like. I'll get up close. You can see the belt. And yeah, so let me try on the next thing. I'm going to leave these shorts on and we'll try on the next top. All right, so just leaving this top on. This is a 36. It's pretty small and it's really big. There's a lot of extra fabric going on. I know that's the style. Personally, I wouldn't wear it for those reasons. Here's the back. It's also a little bit too cropped, and if you have to pull it in at the waist with a drawstring, I think it's too gapish, honestly. So particularly for whatever price it is, because they won't tell us. So here's the jacket up front. Here's the logo. Here's what it looks like on. So for those of you interested, you have an idea. Definitely, at least it's running 2 to 3 sizes big. Even if you wanted it this baggy, I would still go down 1 size. And I'm like a 40, maybe even a 42 in Prada, and this is a 36 and it's too big. So I'm gonna try the one with the leather piece, and we'll try that next. All right, so this is a 40, as I recall from the intro. Huge, ginormous, like, I don't know. Yeah, my head's exploding in this and swimming. Here's a detail of leather here and back here, if you can see it. We have no idea how much this piece is. I don't know if it's 3 grand or 10 grand. This would be a big no for me. Look is a 1, wearability is a 1. I don't know the price, but the wearability is a 1, so the value is a 1 for me. This is what it looks like on the sleeves and on the arms. You know, maybe if you're super tall and different build, this is gonna look great on you, but this would definitely not be a go-to for me. So I'm gonna try, I think there's just 2 more tops, and then I'll be wrapped up with this video. All right, so this is the one that's silk that I was mentioning. You know, it's not the best. Like, you wouldn't want to travel with this piece unless you have a way to dry clean it pretty often. So it is cropped, as you can see. Maybe a little bit too much for my age. What do you all think about that, by the way? Put in the comments below. At what point do you stop? Is it about your body? Is it about just what you feel about it? Or is there an age at which even this short is just too short? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I actually like this more than I thought I would. I like the color. I think that it brings out the green in my eyes, even though it's blue. And I think overall it's pretty cute. But again, it's because of the fabric that I would not wear it. It makes it soft and comfortable, but it does not fix the, you know, like not wanting to travel with it and having to dry clean it after just 3 hours of use and so on. It just absorbs too much odor. So look for me. Actually like it. I think it's a 7. Wearability would be a 7. I don't know the price, so I can't determine the value. The wearability is affected by the fact that it will have to be dry cleaned after every couple of hours of use. So that's just a downside I've noticed to all of their silk pieces. But so let me try the other ones, and yeah, and then we'll be finished up. Also like this one more than I thought I would, this cashmere piece. So I have nipple stickies on, so that's why you don't see anything underneath, but it would be really hard to wear a bra with this piece. So check these out. I forgot who makes them, but it was invented by a kid actually, and I can't remember the name, but I've tried all the brands and this is the best one. I'll come up with it and put it in the comments as well. But here's the little logo here, and it's in, what color? It's in dark brown. And here's what it looks like from the back. It's cute. Is it like, wow? No, but if you work from home or you have a very casual lifestyle like I have, it might be something decent. But being cashmere, again, it's going to have to be dry cleaned. So I am looking for pieces that are travel friendly, that I can feel confident giving to a hotel to launder and not have a ton of luggage. And this would not make that mark for me, unfortunately. So for me, the look of this one's a 5. Wearability is a good 7, 8. I don't know the price, so I can't determine the value. But let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll try the last piece now. All right, so I don't know how I feel about this one. Let me get up close so you can see the color. It's a little bit loose here. Very comfortable. Cool little pockets in the front. I think that's a nice touch. I don't know. It feels like it should be a longer cardigan or a shorter cardigan. Like it should either be here or it should be like, you know, an actual cardigan. It feels like it's just kind of an awkward length. But so I think the shorter one's cuter. Definitely very comfortable. It would be nice that you can wear a shirt underneath it. If you're traveling, you can pull it open and use it with a couple of different looks, maybe tie it in the front and tuck it into your jeans, whatever. So that part's nice. Here's what it looks like from the back. I'm just not a fan of, one, how they changed the ribbing here. So let me show you. So the fabric changed here. Now that was obviously done on purpose. I personally just don't like it because it kind of breaks up the piece and not in a good way, in my opinion. And I think for me, it's just the length that I'm not liking. So for me, the look is a 3. Wearability, it's very comfortable. 7, 8. Value, I have no idea what the prices are. So I don't know. So that wraps up my Prada Fall 2024 first look. You've seen, if you haven't already, check out my shorts on YouTube and also on Instagram. I do have pieces that I had posted, just individual pieces. And so that might help you get a better look overall of some of the pieces of the collection that was on pre-order. And so unfortunately those had to be paid for in advance, which really sucked. And then these pieces here are now available in the stores. So if you're looking for any, I would definitely check them out. I think you can actually get them on sites like Neiman Marcus and Saks. Last time I checked. So if you don't have a Prada around, you can still purchase their pieces. And they have a more lenient return policy if you get it from the department store. So have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Look forward to your comments.